Hello, Assalamualaikum. I am Rowan, warm audience, and you are watching Code with Hero YouTube channel. So guys, let's get started. Welcome to Code with Hero YouTube channel, presented by Hero to my audience. Code with Hero. My introduction. My name is Hero. My real name is Bashir. I am a student. I have learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, PHP, jQuery, C#, C++, Java, and Python. I use VS Code, Visual Studio Code editor to write my code. Top code editors are Notepad, Notepad++, Adobe XD, Sublime Text, and Atom. But my favorite is VS Code. What are we going to do today? Today I am going to show you how to download Visual Studio Code in your PC or computer in very simple steps. There are 4 steps to download it. First, open this link. Download VS Code according to your PC specs. I have Windows, so I will download Windows version. Install VS Code in your PC with some new settings. Open and enjoy. So guys, let's open this link. So guys, I have opened this link. I have Windows version, so I will download the Windows version. You can choose Linux and Mac too. So guys, I have already downloaded, so let's get to this. So guys, open this and click I accept the agreement and click next and select all these options and click next and then install. I have already installed, so guys, let's start it. So guys, it took some time to start, so let's wait for a few seconds and refresh the PC. So guys, the VS Code has been started, so you will see this type of interface. So let's get this tab, and guys, you will see this type of interface. So guys, I hope you like this video. Meet you in the next video with a brand new topic and new content. Till then, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.